Hello, welcome back to the 9th installment of our Exploring Malaysia series. Before we begin, if you have enjoyed the series and want to see more exciting travel videos like this, please take a moment to leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, I'm taking you on a journey down memory lane as we revisit Brickfields, also known as Little India. It's been over 50 years since I spent my younger days schooling here, and returning feels like stepping back into the pages of my childhood. One of Brickfields' most iconic landmarks is the Torana Gate, a gift from the government of India to Malaysia, symbolizing their strong ties. Influenced by Hindu and Buddhist architecture, it resembles the Great Stupa at Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. This magnificent structure is a key symbol of the area's rich cultural heritage. The Little India Fountain in Brickfields, Kuala Lumpur, is a cultural landmark at the junction of Jalan Tun Sambanthan and Jalan Travers. It represents the Indian community with intricate architecture and statues of deities. A gathering spot, it symbolizes Kuala Lumpur's diverse cultural fabric and offers a picturesque photo opportunity. Overall, Brickfields remains a vibrant and dynamic neighborhood where old traditions meet modern influences, creating a unique and memorable experience for visitors and residents alike. And of course, no visit to Little India would be complete without indulging in the tantalizing flavors of Indian cuisine. The aroma of spices fills the air as we step inside. My wife's eyes light up at the sight of traditional breakfast items. She grabs a piece of roti canai and a piece of string hopper or idiyappam. Now, on to the curries. We choose fish curry, dal curry, and mutton curry. My wife is already eager to start eating, and when we find out this delicious breakfast costs only 5 ringgit, we're astonished. What a perfect start to the day. As we enter the traditional Indian store, we're greeted by a vibrant tapestry of colors and fragrant garlands. The shelves are adorned with an array of puja items, from idols of Hindu deities to incense sticks, oil lamps, and garlands of vibrant flowers. And on one side, you will find toiletries from India, and the right side with frozen Indian food products. From intricate bangles to ornate necklaces and dazzling earrings, every corner sparkles with beauty. As we stroll through Little India, we come across these magnificent archways along the 5-foot way. The colorful display of Indian sweets on the 5-foot way is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a celebration of the rich culinary heritage of India, inviting everyone to indulge in its sweet delights. As we walk through the flower lane in Little India, we're surrounded by a burst of colors and fragrances. Along the pathway, we spot a woman skillfully stringing fresh flower garlands called puja mala. The air is filled with the sweet scent of jasmine, roses, and marigolds, creating a sensory experience unlike any other. Let's take a closer look at this traditional Indian produce store. The store offers a wide variety of fresh produce essential to Indian cuisine. Well, that wraps up our adventure through Little India in Brickfields. If you're enjoying this journey as much as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Remember, every like, share, and comment helps our channel grow and allows us to bring you more content like this.